What's up, guys? Today is Tuesday, March 31st, and here's some good news for ya. Here's some good news for ya. So as you can tell, I did a bit of traveling today. I decided to go to the balcony, also known as Costa del Balconia. That's one of my favorite memes from this whole thing. Where are you gonna travel today? I'm going to the kitchen. Where are you gonna travel? I'm going to the living room. Pretty much accurate at this point. But on to the good news for today, because this is one of my favorite stories from this entire lockdown. It comes from New York City. Check this out. A guy from Brooklyn sees a girl dancing on a roof, sends her a drone with his number on it. Yeah, this story is about as crazy as that headline sounds. Yeah, it comes from New York City, where they are currently under lockdown. People are pretty much staying home all the time, and of course, social distancing. And this guy named Jeremy was on the rooftop of his building when he saw a girl on a neighboring building who was just dancing and having fun and exercising. And when he saw her, he waved, and she waved back. And then in a moment of pure inspiration or desperation, I don't know what to call it, but he got his drone and he wrote his phone number on a piece of paper and stuck it on top and landed it on her roof. I'm just checking the article now. It says, she picked up my drone and I guess it worked because I got a text from her an hour later saying, "Hi, it's the girl from the roof." And then they started talking for a while, and then Jeremy asked her, so I'm thinking tonight we go on a date. Want to have dinner with me? And she says, yes, but where and how? We're quarantined, LOL. And the story takes another crazy twist from there. Basically, they decided to have the meal right on the rooftop. They each got a table. They each got their meal for one on the rooftop of their buildings. And it looks like they did a FaceTime call as well, so they didn't have to be screaming over the rooftop the entire meal. It's pretty awesome that this happened. And yeah, it just shows you that, I don't know, we can make the best of a bad situation, right? Like, we can all accept the situation we're in, but that doesn't mean that you can't find responsible ways to have fun, to connect with others, and to just remember all the little things that make this life so great. And that's what Jeremy and Brooklyn did. Jeremy and Tori. Jeremy and Tori from Brooklyn. You are both legends. And thanks for brightening up my day, and hopefully brightening up some other people's day as well. As always, I'm Dan from The New Travel, coming to you from the balcony. And there's some good news for you. Here's some good news for ya.